Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, I'm just giving you guys an update on these watermelon vines here. When you're looking for something random to do, check out this channel. They've grown all over the place. But I'm gonna show you guys something very interesting. Oh my god! I got two! I just found another one! You know, I don't come out here that often to look at these, but I guess there are several watermelons growing on these vines. I thought I wasn't growing anything, but look, there's another one. Oh, there's another one right here. I got three. Oh goodness, I'm gonna have a very healthy watermelon season. Look, there's four. Oh, look at that. I thought I only had one. I'll show you guys the biggest one I found. Look, it's huge. I know it's not that big, but I hear they take about a month to like really grow. But my dogs are always out here stepping all over the vine, so I assumed nothing was out here growing, but I got four. I don't know if anything else would show up, but I'm just excited. You know, I never expected anything to grow, but I guess if you leave them out here long enough and you water them, eventually you'll get a couple. I might have to give these out at work or somewhere else because I won't be able to eat all four of these. But look at that little tiny baby watermelon growing. So I got four watermelon, and I'll give it a couple more weeks to see what else pops up, but congratulations to me. Congratulations. But yeah, that's the update. And these are the exact same vines that have been out here for the last couple of months. Like I said, I didn't expect anything to happen, and they're and they're growing all over the place, and I just kind of probably need to move these in a better direction because I can't have them growing all up on the house like that. But oh, they are doing their thing. So I'm just moving these out the way. Oh, look, there's another one. I guess I got five, you guys. I bet there's more watermelons out here. We're gonna keep a closer eye on this. It's been raining a lot, so maybe because it's been raining so much, I'm getting a lot more plant growth. But 5 watermelon. Congratulations. There's probably something else going in here. I'd have to look real close down here at the roots, but we got 5. One big one and a whole bunch of little tiny babies. Thank you for watching my video. Tune in for the next one. If you would like to see me do something special, write it down in the comments. Like and subscribe.